All right, welcome back to part two. We're going to go ahead and get Active Directory implemented now. We've got our virtual machines here, and we're going to log into our domain controller. Okay. Yeah, you may have noticed these are new IP addresses. I went ahead and remade these VMs here. Okay. All right. Right here, into add roles. Oh, it's still loading apparently. Okay. We have role based, and then on our DC there, and we will there's the domain services. Go next, keeps this default, skip this, and checkbox for restarting automatically. This part here does take a while, so I'm going to pause it, and I'll be back in a sec. Looks like it finished up here. Close out of that. Come up here and promote this to a domain controller. Add new forest, and we will name our large domain and give it a suffix there. Okay, and then we can skip this. We're not going to use DNS delegation. Chair name looks good. Keep the default paths here, and just next. It's going to give us some warnings here about the DNS delegation and some Windows cryptography keys. Okay, now we can ignore all that. Install. Yeah, we should be getting an automatic restart here soon. Okay. And we have to use the domain name now. Let's see. Okay, and this also takes forever, so I'm going to pause the video again. Okay, we're back in the domain controller. Exit out of this here. Edit administrative tools and users and computers. We're going to create an admin user and a normal user. We're going to put them in organizational units. And we'll do another one here for normal users. Call it team. Okay. Here, new user. Okay, uncheck making a new password and login. Or leave it if you want to. Oh my goodness, these dang passwords. Not again. Okay. What is going on? I'm gonna double click on one of my keys here. Okay, we're gonna add this to the domain admins group here. Okay, and apply. Okay. In Teams, we're gonna go ahead and create a normal user here. Like we got it that time, and there we go, Big D John. All right. So we're gonna restart this VM and log back in with our new DC admin. Oh, what's happening? Is that the I know it's this. Probably got the password wrong. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I need to do something about these keys. There's no way I can be failing passwords like 5 times in a row. Right. Also got to log into client here. Go ahead and open this. And this is going to be just normal client 'cause it's not technically part of the domain yet. We're going to get to that part right now. Go. Okay. Looks like it's still connected to the, has its DNS pointed at the right place. And open up system here. Okay, we're going to rename this PC and go to change here. Member of, and put down big D dot local. And then we're going to use our DC admin credentials here. While we actually still have this up, we're going to go ahead and reset its password here. Right click and reset. Okay. I hate the password. I guess this one doesn't need a big requirement. It's the VMs that need the requirement. You know what? Well, give it one of those. Okay, maybe it does have a requirement. We're gonna Okay. All right. Sorry about that. We are now on the big D domain. And we will restart here. Okay, we're going to make sure that the client successfully joined the domain here. There we go. We see that it's here. And we're going to want to take care of getting non-admins logged in. Say if we go to try to log in with the non-admin, it's not going to let us do it. So we had John here. Okay, anyway. We need to log into that with our domain admin. Okay, I'm going to pause it. Wait for it to load. All right, here we are. System again. Okay, we're going to go to remote desktop and select users. Okay, we're going to add domain users. Okay, and they should be connected. Try to log in with John again. I think I might have had his and the same password situation happening with John here. Let me. Okay. I have to come back in there and edit John too while we're at it. There we go. Okay. Let's see how that goes. There it is. All right. So, and then with these, the clients will the non-admins will have their own client versions. With the group policy objects, you can sort, by locations. You can have your Texas employees or users have, a big star on their background. You can have your Georgia employees have a peach in their background. Change power settings. You can do all kinds of stuff. You can give special privileges to the admins. So I think we might make a group policy objects in a subsequent video, but I think for now, this is basic setup of Active Directory, and I think we'll pick it up later. But thank you for watching.